So I have such a passion for the development and equipping of leaders. I have been so fortunate to get to facilitate leadership development and serve as an executive coach and a leadership coach for many, many, many years. All because I know leadership is so hard. And I see those forums as an opportunity to provide a safe space for leaders to struggle. But here's what's happened with leadership training is it's in lots of organizations become more about the organization telling leaders what to do versus really making it about the leader. And I caught up with a college friend. I had such an interesting conversation with him recently that reinforced this challenge. He is an executive in the solar energy space, and he was talking about this leadership development program that his organization, his large global organization, has him participating in right now. And these were his words. He said, I absolutely dread when I see those group meetings on my calendar. He absolutely dreads it. And what's interesting is I have felt that. And when I have been asked to participate in group development kinds of initiatives, and I see it on the faces of leaders when they show up to group development sessions. And so I probed into it a bit with him. I wanted to get his perspective. And I know that we all have different perspectives, but his perspective is one that I know is shared by many. He talked about how he gets the importance of the development, but at one point he actually said, "But I hate it." It's like, "Why? What is it about it that you hate so much? Why do you dread it?" He said, "Well, first of all, it's just another meeting in a very, very busy day. And it's so weird." He said, "It feels fake. It just feels weird." So I continued to dig into it. And I said, "Well, you said that you get it and its importance. So what is it about it that you like?" And then we got to something. He said, "Well, I really like my one on one coaching." He said, "I've developed a great relationship with my coach." "Oh, so you have a coach as a part of the process?" "Yes," he said. "And I look forward to those meetings." And when I probed into that, do you know why he looks forward to those meetings? Because it's about him, because it's a safe place for him to say whatever without any judgment, without any expectation. It's a soft place to fall. That's what leaders need in this very challenged world in which we're leading. And so, how do we make leadership development less dreadful? Make it personal. If you're listening and you have an opportunity to shift a development engagement in some way to make it more personal, do so. Do more one on one. Meet people where they are. Let's stop having these weird, fake group sessions. Now, is there purpose around group sessions to provide alignment, to provide cohesion? Yeah, but make it personal. What a great way to take care of the people that we serve.